Today we are going to see a case study based on applications of Laplace transformation. Introduction. The significance of transformation technique is it converts a system into an easier form so that solution can be derived from there. For numerous scientific foundations, transform theory and techniques are helpful to experts. There are numerous classes of problems that are hard to solve or else algebraically very awkward in their unique portrayals. In applied mathematics, Laplace transformation has key role in concluding the solution guided by the complex integral function. Comparing with the variation method of constant and undetermined coefficients, this integral transform is simpler in application. In particular, the Laplace transformation method is applied in solving the initial value problem of the nth order linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Pierre-Simon Laplace, a French mathematician, introduced a special type of integral transform in his research. Later on, it was called as Laplace transformation. Oliver Heaviside, a British physicist, developed Laplace transformation systematically. Among the various integral transform, it is used mostly. The easiness in understanding and simple in applying is the inspiration behind this transformation technique. In numerous problems, Laplace transformation is applied to derive the general solution. As a significant tool, the principal task of Laplace transform is in establishing the suitable mathematical model for the solution of equations. Laplace transform converts the function from its time domain to frequency domain. The inverse Laplace transformation transfers the converted frequency domain f of s into time domain. In brief, Laplace transform converts differential or integral equation into an algebraic equation. The extensive choice of application makes Laplace transform as a powerful tool in studying the characteristic of engineering problems. Laplace transform is widely used method to solve higher order differential equation. It has many applications in mathematics, applied sciences and engineering. It is also used for calibrating integral differential circuit system, mechanical system, avionics system, image processing to say a few. Next section describes the application of Laplace transform in various fields. Study on application of Laplace transform. In this section, the study about the application of Laplace transform is discussed. The study is on how this technique is applied in various research problems. Research articles are studied, the theory behind problem worked on and applications are portrayed. Methodological study is performed to portray the functionality and the application of Laplace transform technique. Simulation of impulse response of electric machine. Electrical machines are often exposed to variety of waveforms which cause some faults in them. The work is done to replicate these impulse response and know about them. Three methods of deriving transient response of electrical machines are discussed. They are state space approach, realization of equivalent circuit, Laplace transformation technique. Laplace transformation technique is applied to analyze voltage transient. General nonlinear model representation of large-scale power system. Hasan Modachi and Nazar Parry introduced and developed a new method called model series method, which represents nonlinear system response for even zero input in form of differential equation. It derives and represents the behavior of nonlinear dynamic system using nonlinear model representation. In this, Laplace transformation is used to solve nonlinear differential equation. Three-level back-to-back high-voltage direct current converters based on H-bridge converters. Modeling of high-voltage direct current converters based on H-bridge voltage source converters are demonstrated by Shreya Sakoltranat. It has more features compared to two-level converters. It corrects power system phenomenon like power quality, voltage and first swing stability. Designs of PI type compensators are derived by Laplace transformation. Analytical techniques for broadband multi-electrochemical piezoelectric biomorph beams with multi-frequency power harvesting. Peter Lloyd Woodfield 2015 derived the multi-frequency response of multi-electrochemical piezoelectric biomorph beams based on closed form boundary value method from strong form of Hamiltonian's principle. All discuss the conversion of unused mechanical energy to electrical energy by designing suitable electromechanical system. Laplace transform is used to design new formula for power harvesting multi-frequency responses for multi-biomorph beams of different types of connections. Generalized variational principles for heat conduction models based on Laplace transforms. For parabolic and hyperbolic heat conduction equations, classical variational principle doesn't exist. P. Simsky, M. Simsky explained and discussed the principle of those equations. In this classical variation, principle is characterized to models like Cattaneo-Vanot model, Jeffrey model, two temperature models to say a few. Laplace transformation are used to derive classical variational principles. Transient analytical solutions for the motion of vibrating cylinder in the Stokes regime using Laplace transform. A stationary Newtonian fluid, a solution for transient decay of moment of vibrational cylinder, is studied by Bingyang Ko. Moment of elastic cylinder is also discussed. In this, full expression for transient terms are specified. It also have application in viscosity measurement. Laplace transformation is used to derive analytical solutions for moment of elastic cylinder in Newtonian fluid. Classification of geological structure using ground penetration, radar and Laplace transform artificial neural networks. Mikhail F. Lumitent described a new type of artificial neurons and neural networks by using these neural networks, and on basis of different types of geological structures, the structure of geological substance is classified. Laplace transform is used instead of artificial weights and linear activation function of artificial neuron. SAR image Despeckling based on combination of Laplace mixture distribution with local parameters and multiscale edge detection is lapped transform domain. The effect of speckle noise on tasks of automatic information extraction and SAR images is studied by D. Hazarika, and this effect is rectified using Laplace transformation techniques. A new and effective method is developed to SAR image despeckling. A new type of Laplace orthogonal transform is proposed to despeckle SAR images.